Hi Ed, hope you're well. Thanks for your notes. Do apologise for my, I've got a bit of a husky voice, a sniffly nose and red eyes right now, full of the joys of one of these colds. But other than that, all good. What modules have I completed so far? Well, I've got to, where am I got to? Module 11 on the making sales, and I've been working through it all, and it looks good. I've been through a few of the modules a few times just to kind of try to hone it. What I'm enjoying most of it about the program is actually seems to be quite a step-by-step guide actually. I found it makes sense. It seems quite logical, and I'm quite excited to start moving things forward once I've set up the whole thing. The most frustrating thing, the constraints I'm finding at the moment is it's a bit of a waiting game on the verifying domains. So I've been trying to verify my domain bendyoga.co.uk through ClickFunnels. I've done the DNS setting changes, and that's just taken ages to get done. And likewise for Facebook, I've implemented that, but I've got to wait up to 72 hours, and I'm not that patient a person actually, so it's getting frustrating because I feel like I'd really like that to get out of the way, mainly because I feel like it's if I wait 72 hours and then it still doesn't work, I'm not that confident that's going to work. But the big lesson in life I find is that the greatest reward of patience is, wait for it, patience. So there you go. So yeah, 2 minutes overview. Thanks a lot, Ed. Appreciate everything that you and your team have been doing so far, and look forward to moving forward. Cheers. Bye.